Yes, hello, my fans out there. I still remain Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. Even in my previous lecture, the part one of it, we are working or calculating to determine the original number of a particular element or an atom in a given chemical formula. We have seen the first two, I'm seeing on that two again. You can use this formula to work other ones, the way I'm doing them now. Now look at number 3 here. To find the ON of chromium atom in dipotassium heptaoxodichromate 6. That is the full name of this compound. That is the nomenclature. Dipotassium heptaoxodichromate 6. Now, chromate or chromium atom here is exhibiting the power of 6. So how do we get that 6 is what we want to do now. Solution. Remember that the algebraic sum of all the atoms in a given chemical formula is equal to 0. Remember that formula. That's why I'm seeing it here. The formula here is K2Cr2O7 is equal to 0. Now the ON of potassium is always 1. And because there are two atoms here, we have plus 1 times 2. The ON of chromium, which we do not know, is why it's a question mark here. The ON of oxygen is always minus 2. And here we have 7 oxygen atoms. So we have minus 2 times 7. Coming down to analyze, 2 times 1, which is 2 times 1 is called plus 2 chromium, because there are 2 chromium here, plus minus 2 times 7 here equal to 0. Coming down, here is 2, here gives us plus 2R, then minus 2 times 7 is minus 17. Minus times plus is still minus. That's why we have 2 plus 2Cr minus 14 equal to 0. Now, our target is chromium. We have 2 atoms of chromium. So 2Cr will be equal to 14 minus 2. Why? Because now, if you look at this line here, 2 plus 2Cr minus 14 is equal to 0. If you're taking 2Cr as solvent of the equation, every other thing must cross the sign of equality. So taking 2Cr, 14 minus will now cross to become plus 14. This plus 2 will cross to become minus 2. And that gives you 2Cr is equal to 12. Now for one chromium atom, we will now 12 over 2, that gives you 6. So it is called dipotassium heptaoxodichromate 6. That 6 is here. Let's take another one again. To find the ON of the sulfur atom in tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Of course, this is sulfuric acid, which all of you know. Now, the solution, the formula is what? H2SO4 is equal to 0, as we have in the first case here. The ON of hydrogen is what? 1. And because there are 2 atoms here, times 2. The ON of sulfur is not known. The ON of oxygen is known, minus 2 times 4, because there are 4 oxygen atoms here. Coming down again, we have 2, which is now 1 times 2. Then sulfur plus sulfur, which we don't know, plus now minus 2 times 4 is minus 8, all equal to 0. We are still following this formula anyway, 0. Now, 2, this one, plus sulfur. Now, minus 8, minus times plus is still minus. We have minus 2 plus sulfur minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, our concern is sulfur. So, taking sulfur out, 2 and minus 8 must cross equality. So, minus 8 will cross becomes plus 8. This will cross because minus 2. So, 8 minus 2 will give you 6. So, the ON of sulfur in H2SO4 is what? 6. That's why it's called tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So, please like it, comment, and follow me on my YouTube Click my bio to access my link. Thank you.